Good morning, Shubhodaya. Today, we'll learn some common Kannada words and useful sentences that you can use while speaking with your household help. We'll cover respectful greetings, household words, action words, and daily use sentences. First, let's learn respectful ways to address someone. Amma, Madam. Amma, Madam. Respectful way to address a woman. Banni, please come. Banni, please come. Sari, okay. Now, let's learn common household words. Neeru means water. Neeru means water. Nela means floor. Nela, floor. Kasa, garbage. Kasa means garbage. Patre means vessel or dish. Patre means vessel. Batte, batte means cloth. Batte, cloth. Money, house. Money means house. Kelasa, work. Money Kelasa actually means housework or household work. Next, let's learn some action words. Kodi means give. Kodi means give. Gudisi means sweep. Gudisi, sweep. Oresi, mop or wipe. Gudisi means sweep. Oresi means mop. Toleyiri. Toleyiri means wash. Toleyiri. Toleyiri means wash. Ogeyiri means wash clothes. Toleyiri means wash. Ogeyiri means wash clothes. Great. Let's put them together into sentences. Madam, please come. Amma, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. Amma, ಬನ್ನಿ. Sweep the garbage. Kasa gudisi. Sweep the garbage. Kasa gudisi. Mop the floor. Nela Oresi. Mop the floor. Nela Oresi. Please give water. Neeru Kodi. Please give water. Neeru Kodi. Please wash the vessels. Amma, Patre Toleyiri. Amma, Patre Toleyiri. Please wash the cloths. Amma, Batte Ogeyiri. Wash the cloths. Batte Ogeyiri. Quick revision. Neeru Kodi means give water. Kasa gudisi means sweep garbage. Nela Oresi means mop the floor. Patre Toleyiri means wash vessels. Batte Ogeyiri means wash cloths. In Kannada, a simple way to make polite request is Amma plus the thing or work followed by the action word. For example, Amma, Neeru Kodi. Amma, Patre Toleyiri. Amma, Batte Ogeyiri. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to Kasturi Kalarava for more simple and practical Kannada learning videos. Namaskara.